Today I'm going to go over my 2 stocks that I'm watching this week. Give me a like, share, comment, subscribe to this video. And I'm going to go over my 2 favorite setups that I'm watching this week for tomorrow market. So the first stock I'm watching is DXCM for calls. So this is why I'm choosing DXCM. I'm going to get my trend line here. This is on the daily time frame on TradingView. As you can see here, I'm going to start from right at the top point. I'm going to go down. Boom. The other line down here. Okay, man. So as you can see right here, the stock is going down. It's like going down the slope, right? And then you have this big engulfing candle right here. Boom. So this is better context right here. All right, so we see we have a slope down, and then we have a big engulfing green candle. This thick orange kind of yellowish line is the 200 moving average. So anything below this moving average is bearish. As you can see, as it went under this 200 moving average, the stock went down. And then as we can see right here as support, so we have this as support, and then these are called pivot points. And we have this circle right here inside this engulfing candle. Now let's go look at an example of a bullish engulfing candle. Perfect right here. We have a downtrend, right? Then we have this green bar right here, and then we're going to the upside. So downtrend, engulfing green candle to the uptrend. So this is one of my top plays that I'm looking at, and then this is our targets. This is your entry point. Entry would be this next candle, and then this is your exit. So DXCM, I like it. It's perfect. It look like it's perfect, right? So you will want to enter above this wick high right here, which is 71.32. So you want to see this above 72-ish, preferably like 73-ish over this 200 moving average. You want to see how the stock reacts. Then target gonna be like 77, 78 right here, 74. So once again, we have a downtrend. We're under the 200 moving average. Then we have a green engulfing candle, which engulfs this whole. So it's engulfing because, so the red candles, they open here, closed here. When as high as this wick right here, let me get this blue one out the way. You can't see that wick right there. So the stock opened here, closed here, went as low as this bottom wick, and went as high as this. Let me kind of draw it out for you. See if I can draw it out. So we open here, closed here. Oh, that ain't good. Let me get a better one. Okay. So that is the open, closed here. Zoom in a little bit. And it went as low as this right here, went as low as that little line. So this little line right here, you kind of got to zoom in. That's the low. And then the high will be this top wick right here. Boom. Then we have an engulfing candle, right? Open here. Let me get this out. Open here. Closed here. Went as high as this wick. And then you scroll down to the lower wick, and that tells you how low it went. Boom. So there we go. So the next candle will confirm if this works out or not. We want to see this above 72, preferably 73 with volume. And you can see right here also, the RSI is an uptrend. So when that ever goes up, and then you have the MACD kind of like, look like it's trying to go up with it. Yeah. Showing bullish divergence on the RSI and MACD. So that's my first setup. My second setup is McDonald's. I'm playing McDonald's for puts, and that's why I like it. We have a trend up. Then we have an engulfing red candle. Now I played the same setup on Apple. So let me show y'all the bearish engulfing. As you can see, the stock ran up, engulfing red candle, and then we're down. This want to be your entry right here, this second candle. And if you look here on McDonald's, same thing. We have a trend up. So imagine you're going up in a plane. You're going in the air, right? We're going on an uptrend. Then you have an engulfing red candle, and now the plane has to land. Now it comes down. And then right here we have on the RSI as well. We have the RSI going down. And then we have the MACD look like it's getting lighter, which is good for bears. So we want to get in above this low wick right here. So our entry point will want to be about right here. That's an entry about right there below that wick with strong volume down. And then this is Apple. Right here is Apple. This is the play we took in my chat last week. Same thing, bearish engulfing setup. We have uptrend here. We had an uptrend. And then right here, as you can see, same thing, same scenario. We have an engulfing red candle followed by, so my entry was below this support, this wick low, as I was saying. As you can see, we went from 260 all the way down to 255. And I called it out of my chat, and we caught it right here. Up Apple 10%, feel free to trim my whole runners, take profits. And this one was up 10%, and we ended up banking on this too. I made $1,500 on Thinkorswim and $1,200 on Apple. Then we got right here 25%, $157, and I signaled it out in my swing trades section of the Discord, where I call all my plays out, swing trades. I signaled it out right. I did signal out SMH as well, but we lost on that. We played a bearish engulfing as well. But Apple right here, I called it out. Apple 260 put for February 27. Signaled it out to my chat, and we banked on it. So I hope this was very helpful for you guys. See you guys. I'm going to make another video explaining if these work out or not, or even if I get in. I don't know. We got to wait for these levels to hit. So I got my levels marked. I got my alert set. So if these plays do come to my levels and I'll be able to get in, I'm going to do another video, and I'm going to just show you the results. And then if I have any other setups I'll have as well, I will also do those as well. So like, share, subscribe to this video, and hopefully see y'all soon.